Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I used the Freebie Friday images to make this cute little reflection journal. It's an undated reflection journal, and all I did was I used the Undated Landscape Layout Template, and I'm doing this in Canva because I know I always do everything in Keynote, so this one's in Canva, and all I did was delete all of the tabs, and I deleted all of the monthly pages, and I added a little home icon here. So I deleted all the monthly pages except for the first month because it's just a 1 month. And then this is my weekly page. I just created my layout the way that I wanted it. I made 6 of those weekly pages, and then here is my daily pages, and I made 42 of those daily pages. So there are 51 total pages. So then I just share, download as PDF standard. Then we go over to PDF-Linkr. And with Baby-Linkr, we created our CSV file to link to our weekly pages. And we did that with checking add leading zeros, checking include weekend patterns, and this is a page range because we're just going to put in the start page of 3 and the end page of 8. And then on for the other, we want an undated page range, and we want page range 9 to 50. Is that right? Let me look. Yes. So we want start page 9 to end page 50, undated, and page range. So that's going to create that pattern that we need to link that monthly calendar to our daily pages. So let's go to PDF-Linkr and let's get started. So I want to add my reflection journal that I just downloaded. I'm going to open the PDF, and I'm going to select this area to add my weekly links. Use selected area. The start page is 2, the end page is 2 because we're only adding links to that page 2. Select my page link CSV, and that is my page ranges 3 to 8. And process the page links. So that's done. Now I'm going to remove that PDF. I'm going to add the updated PDF. Open the PDF. And now I'm just going to select my entire calendar area. Use selected area. And then this one, we want that daily page range 9 to 50. And process PDF. And that's finished. So now all I have to do is add a custom link from pages 2 to 50. And that's going to take it back to my monthly calendar overview page. So let's add my updated PDF. And I'm just going to select my little icon here. Use selected area. It's going to add that link to all of my pages. And that is it. And then I have my fully updated planner. Has all my links in it.